everything, Brookie. Please, let him do the job.
I saw a fire truck.
Yeah?
We buy this fire truck. It was
Yeah?
a green fire truck.
So how are you today, buddy? You want to say hi? Give me 5. Are you ready? Here we go. You just relax right there.
Lay down.
I'm just checking everything. Everything's good. You ready? You want to hear some popcorn?
Yes.
Okay, so just relax. Right there. Oh, is that perfect? Good job. That was wonderful. Wait, we're not done. Let's see this side.
I'm gonna lay down too.
That was perfect. That was perfect. Flip over like a pancake. Turn over.
No, like flip over.
Turn over. Turn. There you go.
Yes,
Flip you
yes,
over.
like this, like
You're
this.
like a pancake. We gotta cook the other side. There you go. Stay right there. Don't show anybody your diapers. Lay your head down. Lay your head down. Good job. Good job. Face down. Face down. No, face down. Look here. Put your face there.
Put your
Face down. Lay it there. There you go. Ready? You ready for some popcorn? Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Good job. Great job. Great job. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 10 actually. I want you to give me 10. Down low. Can I have a hug?
Too slow.
Oh, you're the best. Good job, Brooke.
That's
Good job, Mom.
Thank you so much.